Most Jamaicans know the name Nanny.
Yes.
Not many know why one woman terrified the entire British Army. In the 1700s, Nanny of the Maroons led her people through the mountains of Portland using guerrilla tactics the British never understood. Silent movements, surprise attacks, and every hill became a shield. The British had guns and numbers. Nanny had strategy, courage, and unity. Some said she had spiritual gifts. Some said she could catch bullets. But the truth is simple. She was smarter, faster, and stronger than an empire. For years, the British tried everything, but they couldn't defeat her. They couldn't even find her camps. The Abeng would echo through the hills, and before soldiers could react, the Maroons were gone. In 1739, the British signed a peace treaty not because they wanted peace, but because they could not beat her. Nanny wasn't just a hero. She was a strategist, a protector, and the backbone of Jamaica's fight for freedom. Follow Alpha and Facts for more powerful Jamaican truth.